We spent 17 racks on a firework the size of a school bus. If this thing clears the trees, I'm joining NASA. I took out a PPP loan for this.
We're actually launching a missile, bro. We're going to prison again.
Back it up, Terry. Lilfoot. Why is he on a hoverboard?
It's raining logs. Take cover. Bro, it's hot.
Bro, you set my bag on fire.
I'm trying. Nah, the feds are here. We didn't even start the fireworks.
Nah.
Fred, don't light it, bro. It's wet. It's literally soaked.
It's Freedom Tech. It'll fire.
Send this to your friend to wish them a happy 4th. Let's get lit, fam. Bigfoot, out. Peace.